Hi everybody, my name is Miss Stav and this is my son Phoenix. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And today we're going to be making paper flowers. Big stone. And so Phoenix is still working. We're still working on the last craft. And I wanted to show you how to make flowers out of tissue paper. If you don't have tissue paper, you can also use paper towels and just color them before with marker. So the holiday is coming up, so this is a nice way to create. Valentine's Day is coming up. So first, we want to make the stem. You can take green. Phoenix, can you take the green one, please? And twist it into a stem. So twist, twist. Nice, Phoenix is twisting. Yeah, I see you twisting. Really great fine motor activity. Oh, I have my stem here, and you can do a few more. Let's do a few more. Just twist them. Is it fun to explore this soft paper? And I have another one. And this tissue paper was donated to me by a lovely family that I teach. And now let's make the rose. So the rose, also you can't go wrong for the flower. You hold the corner with your finger. Phoenix, can you try to make the rose now? And then you wrap it around your finger. See? So the point is just to get it into a small ball, and you can twist the bottom and make a few and we'll connect them. Phoenix, where is yours? Oh, it's behind you? Okay. So even for the little kids, they can crunch it up into a ball. Can you crunch it up into a ball? And then you just take, as the grown-up, you take the flower and twist the bottom. See? So it's still beautiful. The more you have, the more beautiful they look together. And let's do a different color. Let's do orange. I'm just twisting it. And so see, look how it looks like a little rose that has not opened up yet necessarily. Oh wow, thank you. And this is great if you just had a holiday, you have a lot of wrapping paper sitting around, or tissue paper sitting around, and you don't want to throw them away, don't know what to do with them. So now you take the two and you just tape them together. So easy. There's my flower. I'm going to do that to the rest so I can make a little bouquet and then give it to Phoenix's dad for Valentine's Day. Okay, last one. Can you be gentle? It's fragile. Thank you for being gentle. Phoenix, where's your flower? What, can you hand me one of the flowers you made? Oh. Yeah, hand me the purple one. Yeah, should we tape it onto the stem? Okay, let's tape it. Ready? Thank you. Here, let's tape it. Can you help me? Perfect. It's so small and cute. Look, it's a flower, Phoenix. Can you smell it? Let's put them all together and show our friends watching. Here's it. Here it is. And look how pretty. Our little bouquet of flowers. Oh, not in your mouth, please. Thank you for listening. Enjoy.